Hey friends and future millionaires, Gregory Pierre-Louis here, the Backpack Entrepreneur. In this video, I want to talk to you about the best days of the week to trade Forex, okay? So now you know that the overlap between the London session and the New York session is probably the best time of day to trade Forex out of all the other sessions, right? This is probably the best time of the day for you to hit the charts and start looking for some trades. But there are also certain days in the week where all the markets tend to show more movement, right? This is also known as price action, okay? So what I've done is put together an illustration to help you understand better which days of the week are best to trade, okay? So as you can see based on this illustration, right? Sundays and Mondays, there's low volatility, right? There's not that much movement in the market. But Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, on the other hand, are when you see the most movement in the market. And these numbers that you're looking at are the average daily range of each of the currency pairs, okay? And the reason I didn't discuss Fridays is because I don't pay attention to Fridays, right? I just don't trade on Fridays. It's just one of my rules, right? So here's another picture, right? Another illustration with a couple of different currency pairs just for you to see the average daily range of these pairs are highest on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And that's why Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays tend to be the days that, as an organization, we tend to rob the banks, right? On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is when we rob the banks. And now you know why. And of course we do this legally and ethically. And as you can see on this illustration, one of my favorite currency pairs to trade, right at the bottom there, is the Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen, right? GBP, JPY. And the reason is, just look at the average daily range. That baby moves, right? It delivers pips. It's volatile. There's liquidity there. So as you can see from the illustration that I presented, right, it's best to trade during the middle of the week, specifically on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So based on all the information you've learned up to this point, you know when the best times of day and the best days of the week to trade Forex are. So you shouldn't have any issue planning, right? You want to remember to always plan your trade and trade your plan. So it's really important for you to understand that while the Forex market is open 24 hours per day, 5 days per week, it doesn't mean that the action is happening during all those times, right? So every trader should know when to trade. You need to know the optimal times that you should trade and the times when you should just sit out and go read a book or play some video games, unless you already play video games way too much, right? Like this guy right here that needs to be pulled away. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got value from this video and it helped you to understand not just the best times of day to trade, but also the best days of the week to trade Forex. So I'll see you guys in the next video.